Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's I don't know, Wednesday, the 13th. It's Domino's birthday, so everybody make sure you wish Domino a happy birthday in the comments below, because I'm sure he'll see this video. So we'll cut right to the chase. Um, I'm gonna try to keep this video short, and short for me is, under half an hour. But I'm gonna cut right to the chase, and I've wanted to do something for a long time to show my appreciation for your guys' support of not only the H project but the channel in general. And I thought, what better way to do it than to do I guess it's not really a giveaway, but it's some kind of a giveaway, I guess. But it's more of a raffle. And my idea is that I want to raffle off a tractor, and I want to give it to one of you. And there's a lot of things that go along with this. Number one being, I looked at doing another fundraiser over a venue like GoFundMe, but unfortunately you're not allowed to do raffles with GoFundMe. So I looked at some of the other websites that are kind of like an online raffle setup, and I just didn't really like the way it was kind of laid out. So I thought, well, why don't I just get a P.O. box, and then everybody can mail the buy-in, I'll call it, for the raffle to the P.O. box, and then I'll put the money in an account, and we will then use that money to find a tractor, reasonably priced. I'm going to try to find something that runs, and nothing extremely large, because I want to make it manageable for people to haul and use. So something like a Farmall H or a John Deere B or John Deere A, or maybe even a Farmall A or B if we can find one reasonably priced. And then I kind of forgot where I was going with this, but I want to. I mean, essentially the raffle is going to be a drawing, and I'd like to see the tractor go to somebody who would like to jumpstart their hobby in antique tractors, or just would really love to have it. And I know there's a lot of people that I've talked to over the years. This is my 14th year on YouTube, I think, but this channel's really blown up to what it is in the last 5 years or so. And I want to give something back to you guys, and I thought this was probably the coolest way for me to do it, would be to do a raffle where you guys basically mail me, a $10 bill or a check for $10, or if you want your name entered multiple times in the raffle, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a list of everybody's names that sends me a $10 check or a $10 bill, and we're going to cut out each name and put it in a box and draw out the name, and that's the winner. And we'll probably do it over a Facebook Live, or I'm sorry, a YouTube Live session. So my thought is, I open this P.O. box. It's a minimum $10 buy-in. If you guys are on board with this, it's something that is very important to me, because this is my lifelong hobby, and I would like to be able to give something like this to somebody who really would love to get into it or continue their hobby or learn about tractors and engines and the basic mechanics and something like that. Now there are a couple conditions. As you guys are well aware, I don't have a pickup or a trailer. Now I am willing to find and locate a tractor, use the money to pay for it, and then also whatever money's left is going to go to the Save organization, because with this project we didn't raise enough money to have any leftovers, unfortunately, and I matched, you know, probably $1 to $1.25 for every dollar in the GoFundMe. So we've got a lot of funds tied up in this tractor, and we already have a dedicated purpose for this. So with that in mind, I don't have the proper equipment to haul it across the country if somebody wins that lives in, North Carolina. But we can figure out a means of transporting, possibly through a couple of the Ramsey Relics, my tractor club members. Um, there will have to be some mileage fees if we haul it. Um, Otherwise, it's going to have to be something that you arrange transportation for. Whether you come and get it from here, I'm okay with that. It'd be great to meet you, and we can get you on film if you're willing. And I'll show you around the tractors that we have left here, and maybe get you on a couple of them, drive them, and have a little fun. If that's something you guys are into or you think would be awesome, leave a comment down below and say, yeah, that'd be great, or no, I don't really think this is a good idea. But I don't know. I've just been really trying to think of something that I can give back to you guys in some way, and I thought this was a really awesome way to do it. So, bottom line is, we would mail in checks or money to the P.O. box. I would collect it until the end of February, and February 28th would be the cutoff. Whatever we've accrued by then, we'll use that money towards purchasing a reasonably decent tractor, and then whatever funds are left will be donated to the Save organization. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's Suicide Awareness Voices of Education. Check it out. They're a great resource for people struggling with mental health and suicide, thoughts of suicide, which is entirely what this whole H restoration is about. And you can enter multiple times. If you want to send a check for $50, we'll put your name in the hat 5 times. If you think $10 is too much, give me what your thoughts are. Maybe $5 is a more reasonable amount. My only thought was there may not be a lot of people that enter, so if we only get 100, I mean, let's say we only get 50 entries, well, that's $500. I mean, that's an okay amount, but I don't want to present somebody with a tractor that they can't start and drive when they receive it. And I'm willing to put in some work to it as well if we get something that's not quite ready to run. If I have to go through the carburetor and magneto and whatever, fine. I mean, I'm willing to do that. So that's no problem. But I just thought this would be a really great way to give back to you guys and give somebody a chance to own one and have fun if they don't already own one. If you do, great. If you just want to add to your collection, great. I mean, that's what the whole point of the raffle is. So to keep this hobby alive and keep it going, and say thank you for everything you guys have done for me and this channel. So leave your comments, your recommendations, your suggestions down below, and let me know what you guys think. I'll ride this out for about a week and see what people think, and we'll go from there. And hopefully by February 1st, we'll start the raffle. But all the information would be listed. It'll be in the next video if we decide to do this. All the information will be listed in the description below. Right below the video, there's a video description. You go in there, and I'll put the P.O. box information in it. It won't be in this video, but it'll be in the next video when we ultimately decide if we're gonna go through with this or not. But that's all I've got. So I hope you guys are revved up, at least as much as I am about this. I really want to do something like this. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited to see your guys' responses. So you guys take care, and we'll talk to you later. See ya.